Salute to the chief guest. Recitation by Cadet Ahmed Mahmood of Iqbal House.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم وقضى ربك ألا تعبدوا إلا إياه وبالوالدين إحسانا إما يبلغن عندك الكبر أحدهما أو كلاهما فلا تقل لهما أف ولا تنهرهما وقل لهما قولا كريما واخفض لهما جناح الذل من الرحمة وقل رب ارحمهما كما ربياني صغيرا.
Inspection begins. Rustam House, the champion house, named after Justice Rustam Kiani, a renowned judge and a man of letters. Motto: truth, justice, and integrity. Iqbal House, the runners-up house, named after the poet of East, Dr. Allama Muhammad Iqbal. Motto: faith, action, and fraternity. Munawar House, named after Dr. Munawar Khan Afridi, a renowned malariologist and a profound educationist. Motto: enlightened to serve. The Flag Party. Ayub House. Inspection is over. The chief guest, after reviewing the parade, is now heading towards the dais.
Major General Zulfikar Ali Bhatti, Honorable Principal Brigadier Retired Tufail Muhammad Khan, respected parents, worthy members of the faculty, dear cadets, and distinguished guests. It is an honor for me to be here as the chief guest on the 58th Parents' Day ceremony of Cadet College, Kohat. I am grateful to the principal for providing me this opportunity to address the young cadets. More so, I feel greatly honored as a Kohatian to stand here before you on this hallowed ground to which I owe much what I have achieved. In this age of competition, we should concentrate all our energies to equip ourselves with modern education, coupled with strict work ethics to enable ourselves to cope with the challenges of this ever-competitive and rapidly evolving world. Ladies and gentlemen, here I would also solicit the contribution of the two most important partners. The initiatives aimed at personality development and actions to enhance the breadth of outlook of the cadets is commendable. These measures are testimony to the hard work put in by the outstanding team of staff and members of the faculty of CCK, to whom I wholeheartedly convey my appreciation. Dear cadets, on this auspicious occasion, I urge you to concentrate on your studies, take full advantage of the time and facilities placed at your disposal so that you can fulfill the obligations you have made to your parents and pay back the debt that you owe to your country. I feel like I see those living entities who are no more amongst us, from Bade Rana Sahab to Lal Badshah Sahab to Gul Khan Sahab, Sadiqullah Sahab, Manzoor Hussain Sahab, Nazim Rasool Sahab, Abdul Hay Sahab, few still living like Shafiq Sahab, Naseem Anwar Sahab, Nisar Khan Sahab, I.T. Williams Sahab, Shams Sahab, few more missing, Kabir Sahab, Haq Nawaz Sahab,